Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial series in which we are going to make a saving app where you can set your goals and save and track your savings. And the little bit of demonstration of this is that I already have some goals like that I set, but you can always create a new goal. And yeah, here like you can, like deposit or withdraw. Right now the goal has reached, so if we try to withdraw 50,000 from this, then it shows us the progress, and it also shows that how much did we withdraw, and same goes for deposit. So this kind of shows us the transaction history, and this app will be made of course on my all-time favorite MVVM architecture, and we will also use Android navigation component. So I will not be like creating the layouts for this because it's a lot of like work to uh, create like the stuff like that. So I would rather just take all the layouts and like show you the logic only. And but if there is something more critical, then I would also explain it, the stuff that I copy, but other stuff that I'm going to do right in front of you, that I will be explaining as well. So yeah, this was the introduction, and let's get right into the next tutorial where I will be doing the project setup. Okay, see you.